Here we are in a beautiful Boise, Idaho morning looking at a very nice 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. I'm gonna walk around and tell you about it like we usually do. Very nice restoration on this one. We'll get it up on the lift for you, that type of thing. Cruising around back here, has brand new radial tires on it. Has the rally wheels. These are 14-inch, so would have been period correct for it. We know a lot about these Mustangs, and we're going to spend a little bit of time talking about it as we cruise around here. Finished in a Decode Candyapple Red. Professional style restoration, top to bottom. Beautiful color combination, white top, red crinkle interior, but we'll come around back to this side in just a minute. I'm going to show you how the door opens there and give you a little peek. Beautiful overall fit and finish of all the panels on it. Underneath the hood is just as nice. C-Code 289 automatic, loaded with options. Has air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Candyapple Red is just beautiful. Nice, couple nice little ads on this one. If you look up front here, it's got the rally or fog lamps up front. A lot of the items you would see on a GT are on this car. Beautiful bright work. Again, kind of give you an idea, the overall fit and finish on it is very nice. Nice little coupe. This is the kind of car you can drive. Anyone can drive, really. As we mentioned, underneath the hood is a 289 two-barrel V8 C-Code factory air condition equipped car. Up front, all new or restored at the time of restoration. Front suspension, all the components in the back. Took a lot of photos of this little jewel to share it with you. Just a really, really cute little car for sure. Get you over here on the passenger side. We'll make it over onto the driver's side. Doors all shut nice, the windows set nice. We took photos of the windows up for you so you get an idea of the fit of the windows. Equipped with a console, again, under dash AC here. Just neat as a pin. You'll see the ashtray there, AM, FM updated radio in it. Has a rally pack gauges on it, has full instrumentation gauge pack on it, not just idiot lights. Nice little upgrades on the seat belts here. Seat belts front and rear. Door jamb to door jamb. Just really, really, really sweet little pony here. Doors shut nice. Step back and let you take a look at it here with the sun peeking up over the mountains here in Boise. Beautiful straight body. Wonderful undercarriage. We're going to get it up on the lift just after I get done with the walk around here and covering the full photo set. Has the GT rear valance on it. So just a nice subtle upgrades on it, period style, correct. Definitely the kind of car you can drive, no doubt about it. We'll take it for a little drive for you with a GoPro camera. Again, the window fit is awesome. Jam to jam. We'll get you inside here and fired up. This is a renewed or reproduction data tag. Specs wise, we don't have any build sheets or anything like that. This car is just fun to look at and enjoy. Started right up this morning. We did a cold start for you. Seat back there. As mentioned, it has the fog light package up front, rally pack, which is a tachometer, and a clock, which is functional. Took a lot of photos with all the lighting's on. Everything is working on it. The AC blows ice cold. Nice little coffee cup or cup holder ad here. We're gonna fire it up here for you. Starts right up. Believed to be the miles on the restoration are 4,048 since it was restored. Mama Sass's car. You'll see the gauges here. I'll get you up close here. Temp gauge, we've warmed it up. Amp gauge is working. Oil's in the normal zone. Fuel gauge is working. Wipers are working. Turn them off there. Go ahead and turn on the fog lights. We'll turn on the lights. You can see the courtesy lights are working. Go ahead and flip the air on. It blows ice cold. Mustang owner's manual in here. Just nice and tight, just right. Get out and let you hear it run. Then we'll get you underneath the hood here. Talk about that a little bit for you. Quiet enough, I can go ahead and talk over the engine running for you, and you can kind of catch the, you'll see it has all renewed wiring. Again, a full restoration. It has power brakes on it, factory power brakes, factory power steering, factory air conditioning compressor, fan shroud radiator. Authentic in its presentation. Correct Ford corporate blue. Right down here. Even has the smog pump on it, or emissions pump. Factory style battery. See, all the hardware's been media blasted or zinc plated. As a automatic transmission, which again we'll get underneath. Have a lot of specs in Spud's garage for you. C4 automatic. See, the rally lights are all working there. Get the bottom side of the hood here before I shut her down. Okay, we'll get you in the trunk here. Full size spare. 205/75 R14s. All tires are new on it. Fresh alignment. You see it has a factory jack. Get you up here in the trunk. If you're looking for a really clean one, this one will certainly do the trick. Nice restoration. Very nice. There you go. Make sure you hang on to the end of the video. We'll get to the undercarriage here very shortly. Great little driver. Drive this little girl anywhere. Taking her back to her garage. Could be going to your garage. Make sure you go to Spud's Garage. Have a great day. Okay, we're gonna do a cold start. Exhaust manifolds, got my hand on them there. Okay, go ahead and start it up. As mentioned during the walk around, excellent fit and finish on this one, and we're gonna need to talk about the floor pans and that kind of thing as we cruise along here. 205/75 R14 tires on it, radial tires, Hankook. These appear to be all original rockers and floor pans. You can see the pinch welds on it. The drains, we know it came out of California prior to its restoration. In fact, spectacular floor pans on it. See, it's got the drain on the quarters here. Give you a view down the side. Rear valance on the back. GT exhaust, dual exhaust. You'll see the quarter drains here on the bottom. These are also original rockers. The drains up here. Okay, we'll get you the undercarriage here. Beautiful, wonderful original solid car before its restoration, but you'll see top to bottom, or watch the rest of the video, very authentic in its restoration. It has power disc brakes on it, factory disc brakes, so loaded up. Front end was aligned when the tires were put on. Factory power steering here. Has an upgraded mini high torque starter on it. C4 automatic transmission. You'll see all the, you see these little drips here. That's where they did in the factory. They would dip these, and those little drips are primer drips. I believe this possibly to be the original finish on the bottom side of the car. It did have a thorough restoration. All the seat hardware plugs are in place here. Again, you'll see all the primer drip on the floor pans. No doubt original floor pans on this one. Never a rusty car. Factory type dual exhaust. He's put 4 new Bilstein shocks on it. Has an 8-inch rear differential on it. All factory style, new fuel tank, that type of thing. And of course the rear exit dual exhaust. Make sure you go to Spud's Garage. Get up here and share the drive this old girl, that's for sure. Thanks for listening to me. Make sure you go to spudsgarage.com.